This is the brand new Galaxy A56. It's got a flagship level display, a 50 megapixel camera, a massive battery, just going for $430. Sounds too good to be true, right? Today I'm diving deep into 5 brutal truths about this phone Samsung would tell you. Let's get into it. So what's up friends, it's me Toby and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today we'll be checking and dipping deep into the secret of the Galaxy A56, if it's actually worth your money or just a strategic marketing style. Let's get into this. At this price, most phones still give you outdated LCD panel, but the A56 boasts a 6.7 Super AMOLED display, buttery smooth and 120Hz refresh rate. It looks flashy and makes the iPhone XE screen look ancient. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset with 8GB of RAM, daily performance is snappy and multitasking is smooth, and casual gaming holds up well, but push it hard with heavy titles and you'll notice some throttling. On the bright side, Samsung upgraded the vapor chamber by 50% to help with thermal management. The 5000 mAh battery is a marathon runner. I averaged over 9 hours of screen time with ease, and Samsung also quietly upgraded charging from 25 watts to 45 watts. And I went from 20% to 100% in about 60 minutes. Still no silicon carbide battery technology, but we do hope that we will see this on the upcoming X26 Ultra when they launch. But for the price, it delivers. Samsung is promising 6 years of OS updates. That's better than some premium phones. One UI 7 based on Android 15 out of the box, and a smooth One UI experience. The 50 megapixel main camera is solid, crisp shots in daylight, respectable low light performance, and thanks to OIS. You get also the 4K mode at 30 frames per second, and no, it's not a pixel killer, but it holds its own. Samsung also redesigned the camera housing with the connected ring. Looks sleek and compact, and also look modern. So what do you think? Let me have your thoughts in the comments below. This smartphone is just 7.44mm, which makes it lightweight. This smartphone comes in different colors, which are the pink, olive, graphite, and light gray. Samsung also got rid of the memory expansion slots in the slim card tray, so get the 256GB if you think the 128GB would be too small for you. The Galaxy A56 is IP67 dust and water rated when it comes to protection. And before I forget, the Galaxy A56 has stereo speakers and they really sound awesome. So let's be real, everyone wants to know if the Galaxy A56 is a good smartphone to get. Here's the breakdown. For the display, the A56 performed well, and for the battery, the A56 also performed well, but it would have been better if there was an upgrade on the battery capacity. Performance, the A56 is a beast, but if you're using heavy duty apps, you'll notice it's lagging a bit. Also for camera, it's actually great, and for software support, the A56 surprisingly keep up. So here's my verdict. For $430, the A56 gives you a good screen, a good battery life, and a modern experience. So would you pick the Galaxy A56 over some smartphone like the iPhone XE or Pixel 7a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love honest tech review without any sugarcoating, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I got more baggers coming.